Hello folks, day number two. We are shooting for accountability. So, that's what these are, that's what this is, that, and, well, the last time I did this, it took me 20 minutes or so, 18, 20 minutes, and, well, I kind of rambled on for a bit, and I was also kind of setting things up, so don't really need that long this time. They probably won't be that long, especially just because, well, I don't really have a whole lot to say now. I mean, I don't know, other than talking about what I ate throughout the day, but people already don't want to watch me walking. You definitely don't want to hear about what I ate. That's just boring. So, I suppose if this picks up any kind of traction or following, which maybe it will, it probably won't. You know, we'll see what happens. I may go into more and talk about more, but I think for now, it's really just, like I said, accountability. And for those of you that see it in a relatively close to posted time, yes, it is hot. The sun is out. Yes, I'm being smart, but it is not ungodly hot like it has been recently. It's only, I think, high 80s maybe, and bright colors, so not terrible, but I'm only going around the block. I got my phone on me. I'm in a neighborhood where there's plenty of cars, plenty of traffic, and I'm working up a sweat, so worst thing I have to worry about is cars, but, you know, neighborhood speeds. So I'm not too worried about my safety. Wait a minute. Did I just say on the internet I'm not worried about my safety? Okay. A little bit, but you know what I mean. I can walk inside. My hope or my plan is that by the time it starts to cool down or get cold, that I'll have found some sort of gym or community center that I don't mind. That sun is just right there, isn't it? There we go. But yeah, short and sweet today. If like I said, if anybody has any questions, concerns, thoughts, opinions, by all means, comment, let me know. I'm only on day 2, so still got a while to go. I didn't eat the best today, and I definitely did not drink near as much water as I should have, let alone as much as I wanted. But I'm still figuring it out. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. So, yeah, that's it. Have fun. Stay safe. Take care.